Hello everyone! In this video, I will help you to read the phonics sounds correctly because the correct pronunciation of these sounds will further help you to read the words correctly. Now for your help, I will put a line under few letters where you need to stretch the sound, and somewhere I will put a dot where you will just not stretch the sound. I'll tell you how. Just follow and repeat after me. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, E, V, X, Y, Z. Now let's try to read some words using the correct pronunciation of these sounds. Now let's read this word. It is f, n, fun, fun. You are not reading this letter as f. It is f. And you are not reading this letter as n. It is not n. It is n. Fun, fun. It is not fun. That would be wrong pronunciation. Fun. The right pronunciation is fun, fun. Next word. Gap, gap, gap. It is not gap. It is gap. Next. Jam, jam, jam. It is not jam. It is jam. Next is bat, bat, bat. It is not batter. It is bat. Next, us. It is not us. It is us. Next, box, box, box. It is not boxer. It is box. So the correct pronunciation of the phonics sounds will help you to read the words correctly. This is very helpful and very beneficial. Now watch this video again and practice the correct pronunciation of these sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.